Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Fashionably Grateful, and today I'm going to coach retail. I am just going to compare the Tabby bags. I'm going to tag any Tabby bags that I see in the shopping bag on the screen, so make sure you check that out and follow me, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. I don't want you to miss out on any of the great deals that I run into as I go on my shopping journeys. Let's go! I am in the Tampa International Mall store, the retail store. I'm not in an outlet, and it seems to me like the quilted tabbies is the main thing that's on display. Here's the denim quilted tabby, which I love. This is like one of the first tabbies that I saw when it came to like something different than a regular tabby, right? I love how this bag looks. I don't see... Well, you know what? I do see a need for this bag because it has several different denim tones to it that I can match with any and everything. So this tabby is amazing. The regular denim tabby, however, the one that's patchwork, I just feel like it can match with so much. The one at the bottom seems to be the largest tabby that they have. They don't make tabbies as big as they used to, from what the store clerk was telling me. But, I mean, they are still pretty much a nice size. I am definitely going to try to see what can fit in this tabby by just using my cell phone. I'm using an iPhone. I don't know whether I'm using the 12 Pro Max or the 16 Pro Max, but I'm just going to try to put the phones in the bag just to kind of see if it will close seamlessly without looking bulky or anything like that. There seems to be plenty of compartments because I'm thinking in a tabby, I don't have a huge wallet, but it is a fairly nice size foldable wallet. So I don't know. I probably would have to condense down a lot. Now I'm grabbing my cell phone right now. Looks like I'm using the, I can't even tell which one that is because I can't see the back. Okay, there it is. I am using the 12 Pro Max, which is the same size as the 16 Pro Max. The 16 Pro Max to me is a little bit heavier. It looks like it fits just fine in the first compartment. And then in the middle section, it's going to fit in any compartment. However, I mean, I don't know why you would put it in the zip part, but I don't think it would fit in the zip part. But on this quilted tabby, it does seem to fit just fine. I love how the bag has the chain strap instead of like the ones that you can attach, the softer tabbies and the other tabbies that they have. Now, here's the patchwork one, y'all. I love this bag for the fall. I think this was an amazing design. I think it's super cute. It's very versatile. Even if I wanted to wear just like a pair of denim jeans and a white button-up shirt, oversized like shirt dress or something, I can still wear that patchwork bag just like I can wear the denim patchwork bag. I think that was really, really cute. Of course, I like the bigger bags. Like, I'm not about to get the smaller size tabby. I'm going to make sure I get the bigger ones. And the bag that I'm going to get is going to be the chain tabby, the suede chain tabby. I love that bag. Now, here's another tabby. This isn't the quilted or the patchwork tabby. This is also has the same exact compartments in it. However, I am going to try to see if I can fit my phone in the zip part. And to me, it fits comfortably, but can you zip it? I wouldn't, probably because I don't want to bust the zipper. I'm not saying that it would bust, but I'm just saying I wouldn't do that. And then, of course, my phone is too fat for this section. However, it looks like it still kind of fits. But, hey, I wouldn't do that. I would definitely, probably not even carry this bag. But y'all know I love how the bag has the web look on the side. I think that is so cute. But of course, I would get it in the bigger tabby size. And I definitely wouldn't get this color. I mean, this color is cute, don't get me wrong. It's like a taupe color, but I wouldn't get it in this color. Now, I do love the gold brass. There is another one that's going to have like a gunmetal black color. I'm going to show you that here shortly. But I'm just taking out the strap. Wanted to try to see if my phone could fit in this one as well. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Now, this one is tight. Like, that's it. I mean, you could get a card in there. I mean, I would have to break down my keys just to get them in there. And I don't like carrying my keys in my hand. I normally keep my keys in my purse or in my bag. So this bag is a lot smaller than the others. It's definitely not something that I can see myself using. But these other ones, these larger tabbies, and even the soft tabby, I love all of them. They are nice size. I feel like they are functional. Now this one, I love this one. Now, I think she told me it was the cargo tabby, but to me, the cargo and the western look just alike. Now, the thing about this bag, I like the one that has the one pocket, but they don't have those anymore. Those are the ones that I absolutely adore because they have that one pocket that your phone can fit in, and it just seems so much more convenient. This one with the double pockets, I just don't see, like, name some things that you can put in that pocket. I don't get it. Like, I can't see myself carrying this because I don't have a need for those two pockets in the front. I just don't think it's necessary. But this bag is so adorable. I love it. It fits everything. It's going to fit your keys, your wallet, your phone. Nice size bag. I love how it's kind of floppy. It's not real hard in structure. It definitely looks like a western type of bag or a cargo type of belt bag. Y'all know what I mean? Those belt bags. This is the one that I told you. It's like that gunmetal color in the front. It's black, but I want to say gunmetal gray. This is the one that I think is adorable. And it's basic. Like, it's just a black tabby bag, but because of that C on the front, the color of it, I love this bag. I think it is so cute, so adorable. Now, I do try to close this one, and it just seems like it's a little bit of a tight fit, so it doesn't fit in that front pocket. You're gonna have to put this in the middle or in the back, and then it will probably close just fine. But yeah, this bag is cute to me. It's different. I don't know why they got it all the way in the back, because what? Put that in the front. We need to see that beautiful sea color. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much all they have in this store when it comes to tabbies. I mean, they do have some on the other side, and I will get to show you those as well. But as you can see, for the most part, I'm seeing the quilted tabbies in this store, which are cool. But yeah, I like the soft tabby is my favorite. But you know, I'm seeing the soft tabby in like other stores, and I'm seeing it I feel like I'm seeing it in the outlet store too. This bag, I just wanted to try to see what this bag looks like connected to the larger bag. What is this, a Joni? This is cool. It reminds me of the bags that they're selling on Amazon that clip together like this, but it doesn't quite clip together like that. It does something different. Cute, but yeah, not really very functional. I mean, you definitely can't get anything in that bag, but I mean, the other one, I guess you could fit a cell phone in it. But that's just the structure of the bag. It's just going to be that circle, half moon, crescent type of bag, which is cool, but I don't know. And here's the remaining tabbies that they have in the store in Tampa's International Mall. Not many options as far, I mean, they got all the options that you can find in a tabby, I guess. But I could have swore I saw a tabby that was huge. You know what? I did. It was in Kansas City, Missouri at the Plaza. And that's in my Kansas City, Missouri Plaza video. You can see that it's a lot bigger than these tabbies that's here. But they said, the lady at this store said that they do not make them anymore. So there's that. But here's the other bag that was just like the one that I was showing you that had the dark color C. This is the one in the gold brass. I think it's cute. You see the little bag charm on the side as a tabby too. I think that's cute too. But yeah, nothing major as far as the difference between all the bags, other than, you know, you got quilted, you got quilted patchwork, you got a soft tabby, you got the chain tabbies. Y'all, these chains is heavy. These is heavy. And you know, you can crossbody it and hanging over in a crossbody strap that's in the bag. But man, I don't know if I would buy all these chains now. These chains is gonna be running anywhere from $55 to $95. So there's 3 of them right there. So that's a good $150 on that bag right there. But it's really cute. It does set the bag off a lot, but I'm telling you, the chains make it heavy. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel, because I always let you know what's the latest and greatest out here, okay? Bye-bye.